Have you ever wondered how the power of thought repetition can transform your life? Well, it's not as complex as you might think. In fact, it's a practice that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. Today, we dive into this fascinating concept, exploring how you can use it to manifest your desires in 2024 and beyond. Now, we all know the feeling of having dreams that seem just out of reach. It can be frustrating and disheartening. But the key to overcoming this challenge lies in the power of focused and consistent positive thoughts. So how can you boost your thought repetition and accelerate your manifestation process? Here are 7 simple yet effective techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine. First up, sticky affirmations. Leave positive affirmations on sticky notes around your home. This helps keep your goals and aspirations front and center in your mind. Next, we have the gratitude journal. Start and end each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This promotes a positive mindset, which can help reinforce your desires. The third technique is the visualization walk. During this walk, fully imagine your desires as if they've already been achieved. This strengthens the connection between your thoughts and your goals. Fourth on our list is affirmation apps. These applications send reminders of empowering affirmations throughout your day, helping to keep your thoughts aligned with your aspirations. Our 5th technique is the vision board. Create a visual representation of your desires and look at it daily. This reinforces your goals in your mind. The 6th technique is the pillow method. Write your desire on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow overnight. This subconscious reinforcement can work wonders. Finally, we have before sleep visualization. As you fall asleep, vividly imagine your desires as if they're already yours. This is a powerful method as your mind is most receptive during this relaxed state. While all these techniques have their benefits, before sleep visualization stands as a uniquely powerful tool. By creating crystal clear images of your goals in a relaxed state, you can tap into the transformative power of your mind. So, remember, manifesting your desires is all about repeated, focused thought. Small changes can lead to big results. Try these 7 techniques and see how they can transform your life. If these tips resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, share your own experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more wisdom on manifesting your desires.